Euro against US dollar this week started with the week with this bullish candle reaching this resistance level 1.14181. From here the price is bouncing back down. We can see a strong bearish candle that has took the price all the way to the next support level here. From here we can see the price is bouncing again, trying to make a bearish breakout going further below 1.12618, but the price reverses back up. We can see that forming this strong bullish engulfing candle, and we can see targeting the next resistance here, but the price could not manage to go further up, reaching this area of resistance. On Friday the price retraced back down, and also that is one of the reasons is these bulls that have pushed the price above, they have exited their trades on Friday to lock their profits before the weekend starts. The weekly time frame currently shows me we have a strong, pretty big candle, and we have indecision candle because of small body. This is the fight between the buyers and the sellers. We can see that the sellers have tried to push the price further down, but the bulls have returned the price back up, and we can see the week has closed as a bearish candle, but also the bearish candle did not close below very important support levels, which is the first one was around this one here. The monthly time frame has also closed, and we can see, just a minute, we have too many of these that are messing the chart. I will delete all of that. Okay, close. We can see that this month has closed as a bullish month. It is continuation of this previous bullish momentum, so we can see the bulls are much stronger than the sellers in this month. So what we can expect in the next month, for now as it looks bullish, where the price could reach again higher price levels, where the next target will be around this area here, around 1.147 and also 1.15. This is the next resistance level for the price on the monthly time frame as it looks right now. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the 1.141 is the next resistance that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels. So this is the target for the next week for the price, and currently as it looks much more bullish because we have here a small downtrend that has been broken with this bullish candle, and we can see that this week candle that has retested the previous resistance. We can see the resistance is here. It has tested currently as a support, and the price is bouncing back up. So this suggests further rise in value. And we can see on the daily time frame we have a bounce from this area of support level 1.12618. The price is targeting higher price levels, and we can see the next resistance that needs to be broken is 1.14181 in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels and reaching around 1.15. And we can see that the next resistance level will be 1.1543, which will be a very important one. Now we can see the price was in the downtrend, now it is forming an uptrend, so it is very good for the price. For the euro against US dollar looks much more bullish than it is bearish, so I'm expecting that the price will reach higher price levels next week on the euro against US dollar. And also remember that all during the week, each day I have shared with the traders some kind of a bullish or bearish breakout, so they are informed when the breakout happens and also what is the target. That way they get also the take profit level, where to exit with the trades, so you can also receive that by visiting the link below in the description. The link is if you would like to join that premium analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.